So, unboxing is really huge. Can you still see me? Just my head, right? These are the new Sensational Liquid Matte Lipsticks from Maybelline. Ta-da! Box is super duper huge and I feel bad because I won't be able. I don't know how to reuse this, so super duper sayang lang. I wish this comes in like half the box or something, but that's just me. So anyway, on to the good news. These are new lip tints from Maybelline, and Maybelline and L'Oreal are both sister companies, and all their lipsticks, whether mattes, powder mattes, liquid lipsticks, whatever, is always I never have complaints with them for their price. Really nice, so I'm excited to unbox them, and of course I'll try them and give you, as usual, my initial thoughts. And these are available since June 24th. It's 25 now, so yesterday at Shopee, so you can check them out. So right now, I put it on the side because it's just too big. I think the shades are quite similar to the matte ones. There's Birthday Suit On, Keep It Mellow, Truly MLBB, stuff like that, Soft Wine. So let's try one. So I'm currently holding Birthday Suit On. If you say Birthday Suit, it's supposed to be somewhat like an MLBB. So I'm removing my existing lipstick. Okay, here's a swatch of Birthday Suit On. Ooh, pretty. Okay. This is so similar to if you have or if you own Pink Sugar's lip tints. Also, may pareho pa eh. Pink Sugar. Oh, there's another one, L'Oreal Infallible. Yeah, almost same, but L'Oreal Infallible is a bit thicker in texture. This one is super light, more closer to Pink Sugar talaga. So just in case, for reference. May isa pang reference, quite similar to Silky Girl. Yeah, Silky Girl, closer to Silky Girl, because Pink Sugar doesn't have this super light. This is super light texture and it gets absorbed into your mouth. And then I can feel like only, yeah, I'm correct, only the pigment is left. So it's nice right now. The problem is if you have dry lips like I do, medyo magka-settle in siya. Sorry, workout face, but look. So yon. It looks really nice. It's very pretty, but same as the Silky Girl one. After you apply, it gets absorbed, then just left with the pigment, which is very nice kasi very lightweight siya. The feel is like that of powder mattes from Maybelline, but this is quicker to apply. Next shade is Keep It Mellow. So this is a brighter shade. Ooh, over applied. Ayan. Dami. Ayan. So it's really nice. Again, you can even top it on top of your existing one. It's just a drying factor if you have very dry lips. But of course, I have super duper dry lips. And this is the Truly MLBB. Feeling ko sobrang ganda to. Kasi who does not love MLBB? So this has a brown tone to it. Yeah. Gusto ko siya. Wait. So as you can see, this is a little bit wet pa kasi over applied and it gets off dry na here. Magiging powdery matte siya. So it does transfer, but not as much as those powder matte lipsticks because like I said, it dries off and the pigment sticks on your lips like it's hugging your lips, but you have to wipe really hard before it gets to the tissue. So this is Truly MLBB. It has a scent. Medyo not a fan of the scent, but thankfully it's just super light lang. Okay, the scent is similar to the Catty Doll. Sure na to guys. Mas closer to the Catty Doll one, the liquid matte lipsticks from Catty Doll launched 2 years ago, I think. Yes, same face, same feeling. Love the shade. And ooh, Soft Wine looks really nice. So this is Soft Wine. This is how Soft Wine looks like, a pretty burgundy shade, and applied it at the center. Grabe, I don't mind na. I don't mind even if it's drying. all the shade choices looks amazing. Wonderful job. Maybelline and L'Oreal, guys, laging wonderful job ang shade choices. Like, you won't have any problem that it won't work for you because they really do a lot of research with all the shades that they're choosing to bring into the Philippines or to make or create for the Philippine market. Talagang swak na swak. This naman is called Best Babe. See? All the shades looks amazing. Like, ang galing nyo. And this one naman is Sensational Me. Very Maybelline Sensational Me. See? All the shades are wonderful. And this one is called Easy Berry. Bibilisan ko na. Easy Berry is pink. And next naman is Flash It Red. 2. Made Easy. Made Easy is super dark brown, which I like. Well, medium dark brown actually. And last one is To the Fullest. I believe this is red orange. Tama lang last kitang swinach. But this looks very Korean. If you like the Korean gradient lips, this is the perfect red orange shade. And this is the blue base red. So basically they have or covered all the shades that we need, or whatever Filipinas want, you have it. Take a pic. So yes. So I'll keep on using this. It's really dry on me right now because I have super dry lips again and I didn't prep my lips. It did transfer on my teeth. Yeah, it did. But all shades perfect. I'll keep on using them and we'll we'll write a full review soon on the blog with complete swatches as always. Using these and we'll update you guys, and yeah, I'll share a full review on my blog as always with all the swatches, and we'll wear them all even if it will hurt my lips. I'll do it for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great Tuesday.